proceeds from today come to the San Diego Center for the Blind. And that's very, very critical for us. We are a one-of-a-kind organization. We're a 501c3 nonprofit, but we are providing rehabilitative services to individuals losing their vision. So when people think blindness, they think, oh, I can't see anything. That's not necessarily the case. Sometimes it could be you have glaucoma, macular degeneration, diabetic retinopathy. There's all kinds of reasons. So you may need us in the future, a loved one may need us in the future, and we want to be around for another 50 plus years. We've been around for since 1972, providing these services, including transportation to our centers at no cost. Well, we're rebuilding confidence in individuals that are losing their vision so they can navigate MTS, public transportation, and feel confident and regain their independence. Again, thank you all for coming out. Thank you to the San Diego Corvette Club. This has grown tremendously. I'm in complete awe of the show and all of you for being here.
Oh yeah, just completely.
Look at your parachute.
Now we were talking about